In this video, we will discuss about IntelliClone tool in COMOSYS. IntelliClone is one of the handiest tools for detailers in COMOSYS. Using IntelliClone tool, user can save lots of time in copying connection and eliminate human errors while detailing. In most of the steel structural buildings, detailers will spend lots of time for copying connections from one place to another similar places, or applying similar connections repeatedly in several places of model. Sometimes the similar type connections are huge in numbers. It will take too much time for users to create or copy same connection in similar places. This process will lead to increase in margin of errors, increase in detailing time, and decrease in productivity. To overcome this issue, COMOSYS has provided with an incredible tool, which is called IntelliClone. Using this tool will help detailer in automatically detecting similar type of connections and copy connections automatically with 100% accuracy, so that COMOSYS will increase in productivity and decrease in margin of errors. Let us discuss and explore the abilities and advantages of IntelliClone with couple of modeling examples. Let us use already created stick model. As you can see, there are no connections created in this model. We will use IntelliClone to copy connections quickly and accurately. As you can see, we have only one GERT lab connection created already, and select the connection using crossing window, so that connection macro and node joint will be selected same time. Now, we will click on Clone All button in IntelliClone menu to open the IntelliClone report window. In this report, number of similar unconnected joints were detected by COMOSYS automatically, and user may click and show unconnected to visualize similar unconnected joints. After reviewing, we will click on Proceed to allow the COMOSYS to copy connection immediately. As you can see, COMOSYS has copied the connection quickly and accurately. Let us try one more example. We will use IntelliClone to copy this floor beam connection to other similar joints. As you can see, the connection has been copied very quickly. If you have any questions or clarifications, please do let us know. Thank you.